Problem number 3. I'm given a side and a side. I can figure that this angle is congruent to this angle. Now, do you guys remember how I know those are congruent?
Reflection.
Well, reflexive only deals with the side. Well, let me think about that. No, it can deal with an angle. But no, you guys, a couple people blurted out because it's a vertical angle. So because these are vertical angles, what do we know about vertical angles?
They're equal.
Vertical angles are always congruent. So I don't need to know that information. It's given to me. So right off the bat, any angle, I don't need to know the angles. Now, if I wanted to do side angle side, what sides do I need to show are congruent?
LM and V.
You got it. I need to know that LM is congruent to LV. So that's my answer. See how that worked out?
Yes.
Any questions on that? So this is the key to the proofs. Proving it is kind of the easy part. Determining which side and which angle you need is the hard part sometimes.